Welcome to our video on how to add people on Gmail using your PC with the latest updates. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be greeted by your inbox, ready for action. Next, look over to the right side menu of your Gmail interface. You should see an icon that resembles a small contact book or a silhouette of a person. Click on that icon to access your contacts. This will allow you to manage your contact list seamlessly. Now, with the Contacts panel open, you'll want to locate the Create Contact button. This is usually found prominently at the top of the Contacts menu. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will pop up, guiding you to fill in the details of the person you want to add. In this new form, input the necessary fields, such as the name, email address, and any other relevant information you'd like to add. This could include their phone number, address, or notes about your relationship with them. Once you've filled in all the fields to your satisfaction, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the form. And voila! You've successfully added a new contact in Gmail on your PC. It's as simple as that. We hope this quick guide helps you manage your contacts more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.